I'm Mark from Keeper Daydream, and you're watching Exploring the RV Life.
Summer Trip 2019, here we come. Time to hit the road for a summer to remember. Well, folks, welcome to Atlanta, Georgia at 6:15 in the afternoon. We're doing a whopping 17 miles an hour. Great ice cream with friends at the creamery. Here are some pictures from our exploration of the historic Heritage Trail in Elkhart County, Indiana.
So this is Newmar. Sadly, we can't take you guys in there. That's going to be for most of the places. Cameras are not allowed in there, sadly. Or else we would show you guys around. But, it's most likely because they don't want people videoing in there with videoing other people that are working. So, but it's okay. So we will see you guys when we get out, and hopefully it's a great tour. See you guys.
As we're coming into the RV Hall of Fame. There's a historic motorhome there. Just a picture out front.
1966 Mustang trailer. So, this is what Mustang trailers look like. That's what I'm guessing the air conditioner was. There was your bed back there in the back. Almost fell there. There was your dining room table. Here's your 1967 fan. Luxury liner. Let's see if I can get you guys there in the back. You can see anything. There's a table. There's a coachman there. Really neat. (1978) Coachman Leprechaun Ford. This is a camper Chateau camper special. It's the bath. You guys saw inside already. There you go. There's that. Fleetwood's first motorhome, a 1967 Pace Arrow. Sorry, 1969, I read that wrong. Let's go into the 1969 Pace Arrow, Fleetwood's first motorhome they ever built. That's what Fleetwood's first ever motorhome looked like.
Where they began, one of the first RVs. Here's how we have traveled through time. One of the first Newmars, famous Winnebago. Well, we're coming into Middlebury to go visit Jayco. We have a tour at 12 o'clock. So, Jonathan's driving. Eyes are on the road. Good job. Caitlin's drawing a picture of a schoolie. Oh, she's not now. She ran out of room, decided it wasn't big enough. Unfortunately, we cannot video going into Jayco while we're in there. We can video going in. So we'll catch you when we get there. We're coming up to Main Street. There's an Integra coach going that way. That's the one we've been following. I think we're getting close.
I guess that this right here is where we go in.
Probably so. Here we go. Welcome to Jayco. Here's the welcome center, or the visitors center for Jayco. We're going to go in here. See what we can find. Walk into the visitors center. See what we can find. There's a cool looking star. We are at Bontrager's Surplus in White Pigeon, Michigan. They have lots of different things here. All kinds of surplus stuff for RVs. Everybody's stretching, getting out of the car. 69 inch. So they have all kinds of furniture.
Yes.
Not bad prices on them either. This one looks comfy.
Right over it. There.
Watch.
You got it.
Watch.
Good job, Caitlin.
It's easy. Just gotta be all about that.
Right.
Angle. Too much power. You gotta go about that angle.
Good job.
6 tries.
We're getting ready to eat Shoefly pie. Yum yum. Yummy yum. We're going to wrap up our time here in Elkhart County with some beautiful quilt gardens in Napanee. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos.